In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create class and locations lists in QuickBooks Online, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or have been using it for a while, setting up classes and locations can help you organize your financial data more efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Open a browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Enter your credentials and click Continue. It's always a good idea to ensure your login information is secure and periodically change your password for added protection. Once you're logged in, head over to the settings. You can find this by clicking the gear icon at the top right of your dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the option that says All Lists and click it. This section is where you will manage various lists that are used within QuickBooks Online, including classes and locations. Now let's create a class. Click on Classes to open the class list. You'll see an option to create a new class. Click the New button to start. Here you'll find a field to add the name of your class. Think of classes as a way to categorize your income and expenses, perhaps by department, project, or another category that suits your business needs. Once you've entered the class name, hit the Save button. Congratulations, you've just created your first class in QuickBooks Online. With the class setup complete, it's time to create a location. Go back to your settings by clicking the gear icon again. This time look for the locations option under All Lists and select it. Similar to creating a class, you'll now click New to add a new location. As you add a location, you'll notice a field where you can include the class name you just created. This step ties a specific location to your class, adding another layer of detail to your financial reporting. After you input the class name, choose which particular location applies to your created class. This could be a different store, office, region, or any physical or operational location relevant to how your business operates. For sales forms, if the location has a unique title, you can click on This location has a different title for sales forms. This allows for personalized titles on documents you send to customers, making them more relevant and professional. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, remember to save your work by clicking the Save button. And there you have it, you've successfully set up both class and location lists in QuickBooks Online. Remember, organizing your transactions by class and location can provide clearer insights into where your business is thriving and where you might need to adjust your strategies. This capability can be an invaluable tool for successful financial management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more helpful tips.